Yanko Sami Gyamfi so. Ebusianfo. Sami Gyamfi. Let me first say, I am happy that he's not yet 40 years and he has achieved all he has achieved. I'm happy. I wish I could also do the same if God grants me grace. So I think he's now 36 years. He has been communication officer national of NDC. He has been, almost everybody knows the name Sami Gyamfi. It's a good achievement. We clap for him. But that notwithstanding, he is occupying a public office. Sami Gyamfi. And because he's occupying a public office now, whatever he does now, he must be held accountable for. Say it here. Good. Sami Gyamfi nipa oye CEO, managing director, our Gold Board. Gold Board no, and Akufo na a PMMC, Precious Minerals Marketing Company. And it was working perfectly so. We had even crafted laws to support PMMC. Now, from that, when NDC came to power, Edamo rebranded PMMC to Gold Board. And then they passed laws that will give more power to Sami Gyamfi. Actually, I say, open licenser, who has Sami Gyamfi signature to go and do mining. We have Sami Gyamfi signature. Wow, we are small scale miner. Whether you like it or not, you must sell your gold to Sami Gyamfi and take Ghana cedis. And Akufo had a more option to sell your gold and get dollars. But now, you see by force, sell your gold to Sami Gyamfi for cedis. Sami Gyamfi there were 2 million obet gold in $80. Ebusianfo na sa company ya Gold Board are buying Jumano. On mine ye hian sika. Wouldn't say every part of the nation, every state-owned enterprise, agency, they are working not for profit, but when they make profit, that profit must be used to the benefit of the citizens. Yeah. It's a Gold Board and make it profiter. That profit must be sent to the consolidated fund so that it can be used to pay nurses, it can be used to pay cocoa farmers, it can be used to pay teachers, it can be used to give university students ice cream that they promised. University for half hour, ice cream no half hour by the way. University for maybe so. Ice cream no. Say Friday, night 6th March. Did you receive your ice creams? If you have not received it, ask your VC, your Vice Chancellor, because it is a promise by the President, and I'm sure the President is up and doing. So by now you should receive your ice creams. So if you have not received your ice cream as an university student, please ask your Vice Chancellor. Okay? So, nurses, you are owing them over 12 months' salary. Civil servants, they have gone on strike. Teacher training colleges, teachers, they have been on strike for the past over 6 months. Teachers Ankasa that you recruited last year, you are owing them 14 months' salary. Railway workers, Udiomuka. Cocoa farmers, one haircut. We don't even have water to flow through our pipes. And we need a lot of money as a mind to do all these things. Can you imagine, say, in the middle of all these things I've listed, Sami Gyamfi took our money, Gold Board money, or the correspondent Nana Aba program, UK. Yeah. too good to be true, eh? That is why I'm putting the flyer there for you. Sami Gyamfi F5 on my way Sikano. That is supposed to be used for the poor people of this country. They say, I'm afraid, ordinary Ghanaians, as they call us now. The money due us, no. Sami Gyamfi has used that money. In fact, it's not say he's using, has used that money to sponsor program Ewa UK, Nana Aba Anamwa program Ewa UK, a private program Ewa UK. And you think, say, nipa obi say the baba man uncle them. Unless Abronya is not a Yoko boss. Unless Abronya is a Yoko boss. But say I put Abronya pass say no be a Yoko boss there. And yes, I mean if you bet him. And you won't pay a big boy. Say what Mamudu ba me baba my bompa say Yoko there. You shouldn't be Abronya. Anya who say Abronya call Yoko pe Johnny. Then you bet you. Our money, that's what Sami Gyamfi is now using it for. And when you see him and at the funerals and he's wearing and looking all skin abo, share. Power is sweet. Power there is sweet. Sami Gyamfi who needs to say his skin. He said the way his skin are tossed so party. Hey. Our time will come. Our time will come. They say that I should be saying I'm in the health sector. I said because yeah. Be about gold. Because you buy me so many gold board no be me pay. But those Sami Gyamfi skin that scam there. But that's Sami Gyamfi for you. They are misusing the money. And where the Sami Gyamfi they about? So let's ask ourselves, say, how about the other people who are their own is underground, underground? Say last year TSA go cocoa board so almost sponsor. Right? Charlie, where we have reached as an Oman, as a country, we need to pray. We must pray. And beyond prayer also, we must hold government accountable by using our platforms. Say WhatsApp status, say Facebook, say TikTok, say X, say Instagram, wherever. Let's let government know, say we know what is going on and we are not happy with it. Thank you so much, Ebusia.
Papa will say BNDC NEC. Papa ya. I'm a papa na ni so adi hu ama me yi. And then na say no mu di papa no almost celebrate papa na yi bi. And sada manfo say say na bi nuanom kra apo no. Say ni no ma setie. Yamfo bi te say ya na dodan kwa akufu adu. Mama de Adana na dodan kwa akufu adu ehu ahokire eyese ne car eseye ewo ni school gate anu a osi ye enante ko ne classroom. Enso ene na dodan kwa akufu adu Ayɛka Ghana sikafo anka papa ne betimi de ne nsasi ne bose no kuranie onu so ka Ghana sikafo no okobie restaurant ma ne ba. Yes, you're the Ghana's can be a restaurant. Come on,
restaurant. You know, now they be a gap media part. One month any topic no.
I know.
And enough for a consortium.
Some it is still possible.
Am I young canessa? Yes, communication. My young ye.
Matia Mane.
My communicating ye.
Matia.
Matia. Men mom leeway. And the man Jankroma and consortium and enough for no more cabo.
Medase for the operation.
And this phone was here for most more recorded.
Medase. Hey, Mama de Asema and Ababa torn mono. Me say Ibrahim Mahama. Yen ship as your bonnet attend your Didi Ghana for Satana Mechan Mane Ghana for Ibrahim Mahama. And in your John Dramani Mahama under John Mahama. And too many see so a merchant bank, so a good merchant bank. And the waka to plane. Yenya Ghana for hypocrite for a two flowers near there. A good Ibrahim Mahama so because or see me plane that or the baby ambulance and my old Ghana. Now Ghana ni here in out of Fanchemblano. Busa won't say. So ya. Sa plane the best one. I am say. Ambulances and another damn Kufa the Dibu or mining crown assistance now. Don't send a year, Juma or mining. And then you get the CEO of National Ambulance Service. Catch a Ghana for say car is ready for servicing, but only CEO need you on servicing. No mono. Esa say na na do bi no na Mahama nso mo konkoto additional 400 and na ma begum. So Uber NPP ma ye wo etitiru ni enim pom bebre a omo hu hia da wo. Enso omo no so omo ye bibia ma omo hu a yes Ghana ska no mo de ye. Ukoka ina kenuforiata na kenu sata ma kenuforiata ebie ni data bank no omo nche ye adwuma na Ibrahim Mahama na oye ene John Dramani Mahama na omo ye ene data bank ne nkwa no wo kenuforiata esa wo insurance company osan wo funeral home a emanu millions of cedis e wo man nim Upo mu ye business wo man mu a yen hwe obi te se na Nana Akufo-Addo aside the presidency ene na Attorney General sema na oye nyina no Nana Akufo-Addo is a renowned farmer onko achim onko hwe ne cattle farm a wo achim osan wo newspaper a eye adwuma wo man nim tuom enso koka NDC ni na onsua de no obeba be kasa asem we senya mama dem refi ade ba ko bi upo bi odi sa get fund and I said trust fund eba o man mu a Nana bi papa sa ta no de support omo leukemia no de support omo leukemia inti esi me say me asema de bia me busa mo say inti ye free hin enya ba be dru hanom samre
ye free ye PNDC oto
eba ne say ina obi nwa be ye mampani nko ade a otimi eto private jet besi o manim na bank ben kra le bebo obesiase fa kona koto private jet a enfa income bia ma no ene ne ye bebo obesiase fa koto private jet ene ye busa NDC for ne John Mahama asem bi say 18 tons of gold no why no mo ton ma no omko che ni pakro ne nkonkoto nyansa nkoto e gold mfiri o mo no mama de emu oya ene mese ko John Dramani Mahama kurum mama de mobo amanfo eti eyi so a omun aduane on bedi kwase bi omunya bindi enso we hu saade no amfa kwankọ ye eyi amomo o di akwa to plane na besi o se ye monsem mawo ye mo bitel a ebeda ni tigo a ebeda ni bus a ebeda ni ho ahwan na Nana Akufo-Addo na me so na saade ne baaye na now on be ye president na oni nipa dodo a wa employ omo wo man ni ene ye say nsuo ye say nsase obi nyaba be president ntino yakwa kwaji a whole concession e dia ma no opposition no why nya 100 million amfa kwa kwaji sankofa concession ama unya oba ye president akwa kwaji san concession no adan ye yo man ni sa Ede o man ni echichiri ni sa no inti John Dramani Mahama oni ni nwa Ibrahim Mahama oma ye o man ni ti se Dubai ina cheso onu ni ohene ina ni nwa ni prince ina so mu di o man ni so na ehiafo ni o man ni mu ye ni afra because John Dramani Mahama eni ni nwa Ibrahim Mahama eyi o ma din se omo be wi 100% free o man no no ma ba be my 1% no de be ma no omo pese e bon sem ni e yo ma wa tu ye ntra ho enough is enough
good
enough is enough abo okani breso this is the time I was here think to sukoko e di Ibrahim Mahama how can we stay in the country yet memufo no ye hu sade we at the money a whole British High Commissioner John Benjamin etimi beka say inti Ghana for mo bon se mama Ibrahim Mahama sa papa ya mabusa ne senti merchant bank for 300 million besia na okobo e no we tue seska no John Benjamin question no busa Ghana for no Ghana for ya mi yani na ho ni bebu ya nkwase na yani beti no na ade ache ya mi yani na ho na John Dramani Mahama oni ni nia they are taking us for granted mama de mo bi so kase.
Yes, because Yehu send him Ukraina and enuma mu kohwe. Ta soja ne fire services enuma no customs na Ghana for na ni agye ho na o mani abre ho no. Mun konko check say name se wo ho. Because of ahoye anti. Yesi wuntumi akwa yi gold. Gold. Our radio so gold no obi abusua gold nyira yo obi abusua gold nyira ena na wonkofa wobi ajapade enso yeni akumasefo yeni MPP fo yeni asantefo yeni akanfo etimi edia no si wuntumi so etai wuntumi anwoye anti abankrofo anko ewa Shanti region na ya hoya in the name of say yengu
Mama Pounds, my son na will come at me. Mama Pounds, rewind it. Papa. Ya sem na will come again. And was ja.
nine anya me anyu obi nti
Mama Pounds, 1 minute. Where the lily abemwe. What kind me man camp me rebefi. Mama Pounds 1 minute why? Share. And now me fa platform biase. Na me koto abrantie bi ono sa abrantie na no ja platform bi so. Ah me more platform ni din. Na obo G00D din se G00D akasa etia the base nti. Wo sa abrantie me so mama de me bo din wa. Na se wo ye bema se be kafra bibi san wanim mahwe bi gu ase a be kame. Ade a me de be ye wo social media ha no. E be gi wo nsam. Wo se wo de kwa be ansa. Wo se wo ye MPP ni me catch us wo ye fake MPP na wo ya hoja kwa me ansa so obi gire ase ha na otie a me se wo din no wo ya hoya wo yo ni brefo na wo ni suban ya beto aba na so wo Kennedy enya hwe ye nyina ye MPP fo adenti na ye wo ya se ye njeli MPP officials adenti na nra wo gina don live so ka se eye wo ya se me se wo em so your magistrate wahu ana wan kasa no we the court John Mahama ntimi njeli obi awu what the obebo nipa ne charge na ye de na court ni ne be decide se de nra wani abere wo hu eye wo ja I will express how hate your hatred on that platform no na me mpesa me baso because me mama de no se niam bi ha me sa na me tan me fro a me spell me catch you we ye bitter na kamfo ye suban no yankwachi wuntumi ode wuka yankwachi MPP officials o madi sika won nkofa kanoforia tamra me jail no na Ghana fo akoma nto wo mo yem no krache bibia nsi nkwan yo bibia nsi nkwan sorry Mama Pounds me ya sorry Mama Pounds ya ko but